Myself A. Lakshmi Navina. I am studying 9th A in Median Model School. Today I am going to explain one topic about osmosis. Before going to the topic, we want to know the definition of osmosis. A process by which molecules of a solvent tend to pass through a semi-permeable membrane from a less concentrated solution into a more concentrated one. Osmosis can be defined as the spontaneous movement of the solvent molecules through a semi-permeable membrane from a low concentration solution to a high concentrated solution. It stabilizes the internal environment of a living organism by maintaining the balance between water and intercellular fluids levels. It maintains the turgidity of cells. It is a process by which plants maintain their water content despite the constant water loss due to transpiration. In plants, osmosis provides the plants with the needed turgidity and is in this way helps in its stability and growth. And if the water is higher in the plants, then it also helps in decreasing the water inside. Osmosis is a type of simple diffusion in which water molecules diffuse through a selectively permeable membrane from areas of high water concentration to areas of low water concentration. Osmosis is a type of diffusion that in biology is usually related to cells. Diffusion is when molecules or atoms move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. Osmosis is when a substance crosses a semi-permeable membrane in order to balance the concentrations of another substance. Osmosis is the passage of water from a region of high water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane to a region of low water concentration. Osmosis is a biophysical phenomenon occurring commonly in biological systems in which cells of fluid compartments are separated by semi-permeable membranes. Osmosis describes the diffusion of the solvent through a semi-permeable membrane. The driving force of the solvent shift is the concentration difference of solutes in the solutions separated by the semi-permeable membrane. In contrast to solvent, solutes cannot pass this barrier. Osmosis refers to the movement of fluid across a membrane in response to differing concentrations of solutes on the two sides of the membrane. Osmosis is the scientific process of transferring fluid between molecules. When molecules move in and out of a cell to achieve the same concentration of something like salt on both sides, then osmosis is happen. There are mainly two types of osmosis, endosmosis and exosmosis. When a substance is placed in a hypertonic solution, the solvent molecule moves inside the cell and the cell becomes turgid or undergoes the plasmolysis. This is known as endosmosis. When a substance is placed in a hypertonic solution, the solvent molecules moves outside the cell and the cell becomes flaccid or undergoes the plasmolysis. This is known as exosmosis. The real-life examples of osmosis: feeling thirsty after having salty food, swelling of resins and other sheets when they are soaked in water, movement of salt water in the animal cell across our cell membrane, movement of water and minerals from root nodules to various parts of plants.
Please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you everybody.